Hey, how y'all doing? We're down here at the farm. We're looking at my little tractor. She ain't much to look at, but hey, she's mine and my son's. It's a Yanmar Ram 2000. Got one flat tire. Coat's been out here eating on the wiring again. Looks like Daddy's thrown them over here, but she's been parked because the steering don't work on her. It broke. And now it's just turning like a loose goose. There it goes, tighten up there. So I'm not exactly sure what's broke. But I'm fixing to take her to the shop here in a few weeks. Get them check the steering out, find out what's wrong with it, get her up and going, and bring her down to the house in the city. I believe I can use her in the garden. Besides being in the garden, I'm also going to take her down the road, fill her up. I figure that's some fun with city folk. Yeah, city folk would be fun. Blowing the horns. I'm going to get fuel. I got a couple of attachments to it. I don't know if they's going to let us have those with the tractor or not. Well, that's my update for what I got planned on doing.